Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody, and we are fastly approaching Tropical Vibes Island. Be sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. So in this video, I'm taking you back in time to the Burgundy days. You all remember Burgundy, right? But I'm going to, of course, give it that glam touch with some silver and some white. If you're interested in seeing, just keep watching. But before I do that, I want to talk about ShopTagger. Okay, love. So what is ShopTagger? ShopTagger is a platform in which you can have your own personal shopping assistant. ShopTagger will alert you when items go on sale or when they're back in stock. So how do you create your account? You go to your desktop, you log on to shoptagger.com, and then you'll also download the app on your mobile phone so that you can get the alerts when the items goes on sale or comes back in stock. So here's my account and some of the items that I've saved. So once you create your account, you're going to click on that little shopping bag that's jumping around on your screen to add the button to your desktop. Once you've done that, then you're going to head on over to your favorite store to start saving money. Today I'm going to be going over to Macy's. You search the items or item. Once you do that, click on the items that you want to add to your bag, and ShopTagger will search for coupon codes, and ShopTagger will attempt to find you the best coupon that's available for that item. Now, you can also save items in your ShopTagger account so that you can be alerted when the items goes on sale or when they come back in stock. So what you do is, I'm going to be heading on over to Bath & Body Works. I've been watching this very beautiful Glam candle holder. They have the best candle holders at Bath & Body Works. So you click the item, you click on that ShopTagger icon, and from there you're going to select when you want to be notified of the item going on sale. They have like a 25% off option or 50% off option. Now you can also create different categories of different items in your ShopTagger account, which is so amazing. So I have the link below to ShopTagger that you can download if you're interested so that you can start saving today. So let's get this Burgundy working. Okay, love. So I'm going to just briefly tell you what I have going on in here. I just recently did a living room video, so I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to go over the Burgundy items. So these Burgundy candles, I don't have any batteries to go in them because they use C batteries, but they actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I purchased them when they were 50% off. And I actually did a DIY and added the bling around them. It's just some strips that I have added around them. Now this bunch of florals here is a mixture of things. So this particular pick here came from Hobby Lobby. It's actually a tropical pick. Do not ask me what is messed up. I have no idea the name of this pick, but it's super cute. So I also have this bush of peonies, hydrangeas, and roses that actually came from eFavormart. I'll leave the link below. This item here came from Hobby Lobby, and the other picks also came from Hobby Lobby. And so just in case there's someone new watching this video, the coffee table books came from Etsy from a shop called Artful Library. The candle, the elephant candle, came from Thomas Ferrier Candles, as well as the pineapple. My candle holders came from Bath & Body Works. And so let's move to the back to the pillows. Now the pillows are actually pillow covers, came from Amazon. I'll place the link to these pillows in the description box. And over here is the same bunch of florals, peonies, hydrangeas, and roses, and this pick from Hobby Lobby. However, this actually came from Amazon. I'll have the link below. So what I have going on over here is actually the same thing that I have going on over there. I have 2 of these burgundy pillow covers, and I'm probably not going to order any other ones. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to move one of these over there, and then I just want to have these over here because I just wanted to put some burgundy on the other side of the room. So I'm just gonna put these. You can play around with your pillows in your home. You can just do whatever. So I'm gonna do that. So sorry if I made you dizzy. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take this here. Actually, I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna take this here. Actually, no. What I'm gonna do is move this. Yeah, that looks fine. Just so we can have some burgundy over on this side. And no, I usually don't sit in this room. I know all the pillows is covering up the whole sofa, but that's really cute. Just to give you an idea of how you can use your pillows in your accent chairs. That's cute. And then I also like how it's only on one end of the couch on that side. So if I stand back, you can see how that looks. You don't have to have like pillow over here, pillow over there. You can just use your pillows on one end of your couch, or this video is turning into something different, right? A pillow tutorial. Or you can do this, which is, yep, you can do this. One here, one here, and put that in the middle. Karate chop. I love karate chop in my pillows. So yes, that's really cute. I really like that as well. And if I didn't mention, this is actually a rug that I have folded over. It came from Home Goods. And then here's another rug that came from Home Goods. I really love these. They feel really good on your feet. But I hope that this video inspires someone to the fact that you can use any color that you want at any time of the year. Rather if it's winter, spring, summer, or fall, you can use any color. Now this is burgundy maroon, which is a color that someone quoted that it's a fall color, but actually it's not a fall color. You can use any color. There's no such thing anymore. That's like an old saying. Burgundy maroon is for fall. You can use any color, anytime, any place, anywhere. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.